Hello everyone, this is Teacher L. Today I'm going to teach you how to divide mixed number. Let's start with our first example. We have 2 and 1 over 5 divided by 1 and 1 over 5. So as a recap, we have our whole number and we have a fraction. This is called a mixed number because it is composed of a whole number tapos meron tayong fraction. So for this example, ang goal natin is to convert this mixed number into improper fraction. So first, copy natin yung denominator na 5. Then we just multiply 2 times 5, that is 10. If we are going to simplify 10 over 5, that is 2. So ginawa lang nating fraction yung whole number na 2 para hindi tayo mahirapan sa pag-add ng fraction. Then we add 1 over 5. So that is 10 plus 1, that is 11. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 5 since this is a similar fraction. So for this mixed number, ito yung kanyang improper fraction, 11 over 5. Next, we have 1 and 1 over 5. So first, copy lang natin yung denominator na 5. Then we multiply 1 times 5, that is 5. If we simplify 5 divide 5, that is our whole number na 1. Then we add 1 over 5. Then we simplify 5 plus 1, that is 6. Then copy lang yung denominator na 5. So we have 6 over 5. So this is our improper fraction. So tinawag itong improper fraction kasi yung numerator niya is mas malaki compare sa kanyang denominator. Since nakuha na natin tong mga improper fraction, we can now divide 11 over 5 by 6 over 5. So, if we can remember, yung sa mga previous lesson natin, na if we are going to divide fraction, first, copy lang natin yung 11 over 5. Ito siya. Then, we convert this division into multiplication. Then, we just flip this fraction na 6 over 5. So, we have 5 over 6. So, ang ginawa natin, we just transfer 6 dito sa ibaba and we transfer 5 dito sa itaas. So, we have 5 over 6. Then, we can now proceed in multiplying this fraction. So, we have 11 times 5, that is 55. Then, 5 times 6, that is 30. So, 55 and 30 is divisible by 5, right? So, we divide by 5, that is 55 divide 5, that is 11. Then 30 divide 5, that is 6. So this improper fraction cannot be divided by any number. So our goal is to convert this improper fraction into a mixed number. So first, we divide 11 by 6. So that is 1. So actually, it is not equally 1. Meron pa siyang point something, right? So, i-consider lang natin yung whole number, then disregard lang natin yung decimals. Then we multiply 6 times 1, that is 6. Then for our fraction, we just subtract 11 minus 6, that is 5. Tapos copy lang natin yung denominator na 6. So for this improper fraction na 11 over 6, ito yung kanyang mixed number, 1 and 5 over 6. So for this example, our answer is 1 and 5 over 6.